welcome back to another episode of Young Bloom's YouTube flower channel. Lovely to be with you. The sun's shining, which is glorious. This is going to be a very short tutorial on another idea on how to wrap a small bouquet. So this is a brown piece of paper, obviously, and it's 50 centimetres wide and 62 centimetres long. So it's just a small bouquet. It's got about 4 or 5 stems of flower in it and the rest is foliage. I've put it in a little compostable bag, you can see there, to fill with water for its journey, but this is your starting point, so just laying it out. So the next stage is the tissue paper. I watched this online on Instagram, as I said, and the guy doing it didn't use any tissue paper, but I think the straight lines of the brown paper kind of annoyed me. So I thought, just to break up this, I would use a piece of tissue paper. So this is 50 centimetres wide and slightly longer, so I'm imagining it's about, 62? It's about 70 centimetres long, and all I'm going to do is fold it in half and spread it out so it creates this shape here. Hopefully with the sun you can see what I mean. So then all I do is just place it sort of 3/4 the way up the piece of paper, ready for the flowers to go on top. Then the flowers go here. I need a piece of string ready, and all I'm going to do, right, so this is the next stage. So I've laid the tissue paper on. I've created that sort of V shape by folding it in half and spreading it. So the flowers go on with the stems just over the edge of the tissue paper, so hopefully you can see that. And then all I do is fold it up here like that. Maybe just fold the edges to help you, okay? And then I'm just going to pleat. So 1, 2, and then pleat, and gather it in. And then tie a piece of string round, nice and tight, so you've caught the bottom. Oops. You've caught the bottom folded over piece and the top as well. So there we go. Stage 1, the back, and you can see the tissue paper. I think it kind of finishes it quite nicely, as opposed to just a straight line of brown paper. So the next stage then is just to put a piece over the top here, and we'll do that now. So I have the final piece of paper, and this one is 40 by 50 centimetres, and all I'm going to do is fold it like the tissue paper, fold it like that. So back to the bouquet, and I'm just going to lay it on top, and I'm doing it this way because I like the kind of the edge being broken up and less sort of straight. There we go, got myself a colour coordinating piece of blue ribbon. Hopefully you can see this okay. I'm just going to tie it in a knot. So it's knotted there, and then I'm just going to finish it off with a bow. And there we have it, nice and simple. So there you go, quite an effective way to wrap a bouquet. Just another simple idea, using brown paper and tissue with a very small number of stems of flower, but just an effective option for something different. And as always, I hope you found this helpful, and look forward to seeing you next time.